Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in making money, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some interesting and innovative ways to make money that you might not have thought of before. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make some extra cash. Tip 1: Sell digital products. If you have a talent or skill that can be turned into a digital product, such as an ebook or an online course, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Udemy. This can be a great way to make passive income. Tip 2: Become an affiliate marketer. You can make money by promoting other people's products as an affiliate marketer. Simply find products you believe in and promote them to your audience. You'll earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Tip 3: Invest in stocks or real estate. Investing in stocks or real estate can be a great way to make money over the long term. While it's important to do your research and be aware of the risks, these can be profitable investments if done wisely. Tip 4: Offer freelance services. If you have a skill that can be offered as a service, such as graphic design or writing, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This can be a great way to make money while working from home. Tip 5: Start a YouTube channel. If you have a passion or expertise in a certain area, you can start a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Just be sure to create high-quality content that your audience will love. Bonus tip: remember, making money takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep working hard and stay focused on your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks.